Okay, this is Canis Murray from Glassonline at Glasstech in Düsseldorf. And this morning we have David Faini from Regina. Good morning. Can you tell us something about the company? A short introduction to the company.
Yeah, sure. Regina is an historical company working in the chain manufacturing industry. Was founded in 1919. So next year we'll be celebrating 100 years. We are active in three main business units, so industrial and conveyor chains and modular belts, and motorcycle roller chains. And we have a global presence from Latin America, US, Central America, Europe, and China and Asia.
Can I ask you how last year was for the company?
So last year was a very positive one, was confirming a steady growth of the company over the last 5 years. And these positive results have been achieved through the consolidation in the historical European and Western markets and positive growth in China and Asian markets. So my colleague Massimo Grassi, he will introduce you to our recent product innovations.
I would like to tell you something about our experience with the glass manufacturing. We have been dealing with the glass manufacturing cold end lines since the 80s. At the beginning, only stainless steel chains were used, and now stainless steel chains are used only in some critical parts of the lines, mainly with presence of huge amount of broken glass. Otherwise, plastic chains or modular belts are used extensively on the line. Reliability of the conveyor solution is a must, is the first point. So we developed some modular belts with very tough design that is not suffering about break due to broken glass. During the time, we have developed some materials in order to reduce the production of dust and powder present on the conveyor, because when the dust is accumulating on the container, this is resulting in rejects of the bottle on the line, which are forced reject in reality, because we are not in presence of a defect, but we are in presence of dirt, dust. Okay. Finally, what we have done as a problem solver for the industry is to develop also material in cooperation mainly with DuPont, which is our supplier for plastics, of materials offering a very low coefficient of friction with the bottle.
Massimo, can you tell me something about what you've brought to the fair this year? What's new?
Yes, the main novelty is regarding a gripper chain, which is used for bottle turner application, which is running without the addition of external lubrication of oil, in combination with guides also made of special material, special polyethylene, that can run also without lubrication with limited wear and dusting. One part, round part, which is the bushing, is sintered impregnated with oil that is released during operation. So the joint between pin and bushing is kept always lubricated, and so the chain has a resistance to elongation, which is comparable to a standard chain in lubricated condition.